Well, hello. This is an example that illustrates some of the tables that we will use to compute areas under the normal curve. And I'm assuming that, again, you have read about the normal distribution in your text and or the Hawk software. Basically, this problem here illustrates the use of table A or table C, really table C. What I'm after is the area under the normal curve to the left of z equal to 1.42. So if you recall, the normal curve is this bell-shaped curve. The curve is in fact the PDF, probability density function. I'm sure you read about that. But the standard normal curve is a particular normal curve that has a mean of 0. And what I want to know is, okay, for this value 1.42, what is the area under the curve to the left of that value? And it turns out that this area here is, in fact, the probability that z, this is a random variable, is less than 1.42. Okay? Now, in computing this probability, there's several ways you could attack it. You could use the normal tables on your Hawk software, but what I want you to do is become familiar with using table A and table C. The reason for that is on your test, when you take your exams, you won't have access to the Hawk software, but you will have access to these tables. And so you will want to be comfortable in using those tables to compute areas and in turn probabilities. So just a little refresher on the tables. If you've looked already, this is in the formula sheet that's posted on the web page, but there's a table A that gives areas or probabilities about a standard normal distribution. And what it does is, for a particular or for a given z-score, it gives you the area from 0 to that z-score. So suppose I pick a z-score. What you do is you scroll down this first column here. Say I'm looking at the area between 0 and 1.03. Okay, so I'll scroll down here to 1.0, come across to 0.3. That matches up with this column here. And so the value that I see is 0.3485. Okay, it says the area between 0 and 1.03 is 0.3485. That's how I read table A. Now, table C is a little bit different. Go ahead and turn it around here. Table C gives me areas from negative infinity up to a particular z-score. So it's actually the area that I get from table A plus 0.5. That is the area to the left of 0. So if I look at the z-score 1.03 again, I get now 0.8485. And that is exactly a half greater than the 0.3485 that we saw in the previous table A. And that, again, that half is just the area to the left of 0 here. Okay, so be comfortable in using these tables. Now, when we think about this particular example, I'm actually, we need to decide, okay, what table do I want to use? Well, the kind of area that I'm looking at is the area to the left of a particular z-score, and table C is best suited for that. So I'll look under table C here, look under 1.42, I get 0.9222. All right, so this answer is 0.9222. This is by table C. Okay. So not a whole lot to this problem, just wanted you to get some familiarity with Table C and Table A.